Now, did anyone from the police department or the district attorney's office, and I'm saying after you entered a plea, so this is December 28th, 2022, okay?
Yes.
After that, so coming forward.
Yes.
Did anyone from the district attorney's office or one of their teammates, police, whomever, did they ever ask you?
Objection. Relevance as to what anyone else ever asked this witness. If Mr. Steele wants to ask something, he can.
What's the relevance?
Ask about the evidence of the reposting? They showed the gentleman the evidence?
Your Honor, my objection.
I want to know if anybody ever went over with him that it's a repost?
Your Honor.
Sustained.
Did, at your meeting, we'll just do it on June 9th, 2024 at the Fayetteville Starbucks?
Yes.
Did District Attorney Love ever ask
Objection.
you about?
Objection.
An objection.
Yes.
Sustained.
Did State's Exhibit number 447Y, the repost, January 26, 2015, was that ever discussed with you?
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
All right. Where it says on the January 4th, 2015 video, and if you need to see it, I'll show it to you. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Okay. Where you read to the jurors that Mr. Martinez or Duke said it first?
Yes.
Remember that? Okay. Did you ever explain to anyone about Mr.
Objection,
Martinez
Your
saying
Honor.
it
That would be
first?
hearsay.
He's right here.
Explaining outside the court, it would be relevance and objection.
Sustained.
All right. Now, District Attorney Love asked you on your direct examination why you didn't go to the police on the morning of January 11, 2015, when you dropped off Mr. Copeland at the City of Atlanta Police Department homicide. Do you remember that question?
Yes.
All right. And you were aware that the police called Mr. Copeland
Yes.
that night, and then Mr. Copeland went down to see the police, right?
Yes.
Did the police call you and tell you that you were the prime suspect?
No.
Objection to the compound question.
Overruled.
No.
Do you personally know, do you personally observe, does that music business have lawyers working for them? If you know. If you don't know, just say I don't know.
I don't know.
All right. Do they have accountants?
Yes, I think they have accountants though. I know that.
How about managers?
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor, vague as to managers.
Overruled.
Yes.
Now, you were asked a lot of questions also about what you explained to the jury, that anybody can claim YSL. Do you remember all those questions?
Yes.
There was no beating in, there was no initiation fee. Remember those type of issues?
No. Never have that. Okay. You never have to get beaten in or however.
Somebody could just say I'm with YSL.
Right.
By doing that, does that mean that they're with the record?
Vague. By doing that, I don't know what to.
Overruled.
Now, you mentioned a meeting with Jeffrey and Mr. Brian Birdman Williams and yourself and Mr. Donovan Thomas and others, I'm not excluding others, shortly before, God forbid, Mr. Thomas was, days before he was killed on January 10, 2015 at TI Studios. You remember that testimony?
Yes.
Is TI the performer TI that you're talking about?
Yes.
Do you know his real name?
Harris, that's all I know. I know his last name, Harris.
Mr. Harris?
Yes.
And is he a phenomenal, well-known, accomplished artist?
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
You were asked about the definition.
It's caught in the crossfire.